Chicago, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 4 o'clock p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chicago, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lincoln Park and Lakeview around 3:50 p.m. Chicago and Montrose Harbor around 3:55 p.m. This warning includes the Chicago Loop and Navy Pier, including the following interstates. Interstate 94 between mile markers 47 and 53. Interstate 290 between mile markers 26 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 47 and 53. This includes Lincoln Park Zoo, University of Illinois, Chicago, Wrigley Field, and the Loop. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A severe thunderstorm